Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2026 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice antimatter blue color, and this vehicle is going to be powered by that lovely 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, comes equipped with the black appearance package, tow and haul package, and the bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch receiver, your backup camera with a tailgate step, mud flaps on the rear and front with gripped running boards on either side, blind spot detection, turn light spotlight indicated, side view camera, a nice black hood deflector, recovery hooks, front park sensing, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat 2.5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, floor mats, carpet interior, plenty of door space in the back. We do get cup holders and storage, rear vents, 2 USB-Cs, 120 volt, with a nice split folding rear bench seat. We do get a nice powered driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of more door space up front. Powered windows, mirrors, locks. We got our tailgate, lights, spotlights, parking brake all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 14 kilometers. Got this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media with volume, voice, cruise control, digital speedometer. We got my view, trip and feel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we do get a gear select that's collapsible, storage, cup holders, more storage here, some outlets, with your center console with tons of storage. You get your 4-wheel drive modes, and rear locking diff, trailer brake, pro trailer assist, with dual climate up front, heated front seats, 12 volt, 120, storage above, below, on the dash, with our lovely powered rear window opener. We got our feature for auto stop, auto start. You got your audio with AM, FM, Bluetooth, Sirius XM. We got your phone controls with your navigation, search, recent, saved, zoom in and out, have your audio open at the same time, fave apps such as messaging, email, Wi-Fi, vehicle hotspot. Any apps you may download show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FB05803, and you can head on in a PG Ford or give us a call.